What's going on, YouTube? I'm finally back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to be installing some fog lights for the Tahoe. And as you can see, mine are busted. There's no lens and the light bulbs are broken, so they practically just don't even work. And they've been like this since I got the truck. So we're going to be replacing those. Shouldn't be a tough process, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab the lights and then I'll explain how much I paid and all of that. Okay, so these are some random fog lights I got off Amazon. These were literally, I think, the cheapest ones that came in black, and I think I paid $18 for these, if that. I don't even think I paid that much, but they look pretty good. So believe these were the cheapest black ones on Amazon again. So I'm going to see which way these go. I believe that's it makes sense that it would be that side, but as you can see, these are going to look great on the truck, and they already came with light bulbs in them, so that's a pretty huge plus. So hopefully everything works, and yeah, so that's it. Again, I paid, I think, $18 for these. I'll put it on the screen if that's wrong, but they seem to be pretty good quality. These have 4 out of 5 stars, so if I install them and they work fine, then I'll go ahead and drop a link in the description. And if I do drop a link, then it'll probably be an affiliate link, so if you buy those specific lights, I'll probably get a little kickback on it. So I just want to throw that in there so there's no confusion. But let's go ahead and get to installing this. Alright, so I went ahead and threw the first one on, as you can see. There we go. So you can see that's the first side, and that looks pretty good. Again, this is the other side broken, so let me get under here and show you pretty much how I took that one off and installed it on this one. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the back of the light. So what you need to do is disconnect this plug, obviously, and then you're gonna need to unscrew this piece, and then there are 2 bolts up top. See if I can get up there with the light. So there's one sticking through, and then there's another one over here. If I can get my camera on it, somewhere up there. Yeah, there's another one up there too. So just know there's 2 bolts there right along this little trim piece up there that you just need to unscrew with the 10mm, and those 2 will loosen the light completely. And then the only other thing you need to do is unplug this wire and unscrew that piece. You may not even have to unscrew that, but let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off now, and yeah, let's do that. Okay, so here is the old light, and as you can see, there's no lens in back there. If it focuses, there's not even a bulb. It is shattered. So that's how both of these look, but the 2 bolts I was talking about were these 2. And let me get my light. And as you can see, it's these 2 bolt holes. So just remember the light holes right there, and then there's 2 bolt holes right there. You don't need to unscrew that piece like I was saying. You just need to take those 2 bolts out and then unplug this plug right here, and that will get it out. That's that simple. This is probably one of the easiest jobs you can do to this truck. So let me get the other one on, and then we're gonna see if it works. And one more thing before I throw this on, I want to show y'all how the hardware goes. So pretty much what you want to do is take the screw, put it through the top, and then press it down, or press it up a little bit, insert the spring, and then press it back through this little section right here, if it'll focus. There we go. Press it through this section here. Press the screw through this section here, and then through this section, and tie this piece on. And that, just make sure that it's tight, and then reuse the screws that went through these holes and put them back where you took them off. So that's all you want to do, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show you how it turned out. All right, so we got these all mounted up, and as you can see, you can barely see them, but they look pretty good, if it'll focus. But yeah, they look pretty good. That looks a lot better than nothing there. I think that helps the front end of the truck a lot. So let's see if they work. All right, folks, so as you can see, the lights work. I don't think I needed a relay, so before I get into really looking at them, I want to show y'all something that I really missed, and I just want to say I'm an idiot. So y'all see this red light? This is the fog light button. So the fog light is literally, fog light's on the button. I didn't know that, so I ended up changing the relay before I saw that, which I'm not gonna take it back or anything. I'm just keeping it in there, might as well. But this is how they turned out, and as you can see, they're not bright. They're pretty dim, but you also have to remember the lenses are tinted, so might want to run an LED light in these anyway. You know, I don't care right now. These were literally only 20 bucks, so they look pretty good, and that looks pretty good to me, for the truck to have these. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. So I guess I'll go ahead and tell y'all, next video, the top lights are gonna be replaced. So I already ordered them. When I ordered these just came in one day. Those will be here by the weekend, or by the beginning of next week. So that's gonna be the next video, probably me installing the upper headlights. And I got some black housing ones. Those look good. Y'all will see them when they come in. So y'all turn those post notifications on to know when that video comes out. And then also, last but probably most important thing, I remember I told y'all my idler arm needs to be changed. So I got to do that. And now my pitman arm just started to go bad, so they're both squeaking now. So I'm gonna make a video changing those soon as well, because it's beyond past time, and I have a trip coming up, so I need to do that. So that's just a few things coming up, and I also have the transmission cooler. So that's everything that's going to be put on the Tahoe in order. So just wanted to give y'all an update on that, since I haven't been posting much. But that's going to be it for this video. Hope y'all like the lights. I'll probably be putting some LEDs in them soon enough, but they look good for now. I like it a lot. 20 bucks. I believe I paid 17 or 18, so I'll leave a link in the description. Y'all be sure and click that link. It'll also help support my channel, and it'll help go towards the Infinity back here, which currently I'm waiting on parts and all kinds of stuff before I put the motor there. And we also got to move this car, which is actually for my cousin, so that's his. We're gonna rearrange this, and then also have some work to do to the jet ski, which I'll make another video on that as well, but not today. So that's it for this video. I know that was a lot for an update, but I tried to make it quick. I hope y'all enjoyed it. So if you did, then go ahead and leave a like on my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell for future videos coming up. But we're getting rolling in this Tahoe, man. And just want to show everybody I just want to show y'all how good this truck looks, man. I really love this truck. It's looking great. The lights look great. They've been great. Been amazing so far. All the lights. Still got to fix that backup camera, but this all sounds great. Wheels look good. This thing is really coming together. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video again, and we're gonna keep pushing. We're gonna keep continuing to build the Tahoe and continuing to build the Infinity when I have everything I need. So hope y'all enjoyed it again. As always, y'all take it easy. Drop a like on this video, comment some mods you want to see to the Tahoe and Infinity, and I will catch y'all on the next one.